Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly connect your Ecwid store to your Printify account. So this way, you guys are able to import your products and your merchandise from Printify over to your Ecwid store. So we'll be doing this via API, as there isn't actually a natively supported way to connect both platforms to each other. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. And the first thing that we want to do is we want to make sure that both our Ecwid account as well as our Printify account are both open and logged in as administrators. So as you can see on my screen here, here's what the dashboard for Ecwid looks like. And here's Printify. And the place that we need to go to first is Printify. So on the Printify dashboard, you guys want to click on My Store, and this will pull up a drop-down menu with all of the connected stores and platforms that you have that are integrated with Printify. So if you click on My Store, you want to click on Add a New Store, and you'll see right away that there are a bunch of options to add different platforms to your Printify store. So there's Etsy, there's Shopify, there's BigCommerce, there's eBay, Printify Pop-Up, and so on, Squarespace, WooCommerce, so on and so forth. So because we can't see Ecwid here, we'll be doing it via API. So when you guys click on it, give your store name. Let's just do something random. Click on continue. Here we are. We've successfully connected an API store to our Printify account. Now, the idea here is we're going to route the necessary data over from Printify to Ecwid. And to do so, you guys want to go back to Ecwid just like this. And from here, you guys want to click on Applications, go to the App Market. And from here, you guys will see in a sec that there isn't actually a native way that Printify is supported by Ecwid. So you'd want to type whatever and click on Order a Custom App. Click on Continue, like so. And from here, basically just follow the on-screen instructions, just like that. And then you would want to add your store ID to Ecwid. And to do so, want to go back to Printify's website, click on your store name, click on Manage My Stores, and then you'd want to copy the URL or domain name for your store over to Printify. And by creating an API, you actually make the connection between the two platforms. So if I were to copy this, like so, go back there, paste it here, remove the My Shop entry, and there we go. Now, if that doesn't work or the store ID doesn't apply when you go to enter it in the connection process, another thing you guys can do is go to this page here, being printify.com/app/account API, and generate a token and have it sent to an email address where you'd want to get to the key. And you would copy this key, go back to the page, click on Start, and enter it here and connect your store. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.